Let me tell you about this girl. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. So I know this is a little different than what I have normally been doing. I know I've been doing more vlog style videos, but I was like, look, we're gonna switch this up. And I really wanted to do this skincare video. So as y'all see, well, y'all will see in my previous vlog that I was going to Marshall's, or I went to the store to look for, so yes, I was looking for skincare products, and I was looking for Korean skincare products. So I know I'm a little late on this train with the Korean skincare products, but you know, as me being an esthetician, I know I'm super late, but I am a skincare junkie. I have all kinds of skincare all across my bathroom, but I'm like, why not try out this skincare, this Korean skincare? Because if you know, you know, their skin always looks like glass, like for real. So I was like, let me try out some of these products. So I went to Marshall's because I've seen Korean skincare products there. That's probably the only place that I've seen them. I haven't really looked, but I know whenever I've gone to Marshall's or TJ Maxx, it's like boom, right there, you know. And even on the Yuka app, which you guys saw in the vlog that I use, their ratings are always high. Like they always have great ratings. Without further ado, let's get into this skincare routine. All right, y'all, so I got a couple products. I didn't get a whole line, but I got most things that you would need in a facial or like a routine for the morning. And they're not all by the same brand. They're just all different, you know, brands, but they're all Korean skincare. So the first thing I got was a moisturizing cleanser. I got a Revive serum. I also got a Dakota toner. And then I got this niacinamide serum for brightening moisturize. So I haven't opened any of these, so let's get these out the box. So this is a really nice packaging. This is that serum. Hopefully this focus. This is the niacinamide serum. And then we have the Dakota toner. I don't know why we want to say toner. All right, and this is the Revive serum. Then we have our moisturizing cleanser. Now this brand and I think these two are the same brand. So as you can see, like I am a skincare junkie, so I'm always playing with products and trying out new products. As of late, my skin has been doing okay. Besides, I have some breakouts here and some blemishes that I'm really trying to get rid of. I'm probably gonna go get me a professional facial done soon. I can do my own facials, but it's not the same. Like I kind of want to enjoy the process and have an experience. So I'm gonna go book me a facial. But in the meantime, your skincare at home is 80% of your skin and its results. So you want to make sure you're taking care of your skin at home. And so why not use some of the best products, especially with great ingredients in them, because ingredients in products matter. Let's get into this video. I'm about to use these skincare products and see what I think about them, like on the first, like pretty much the first impressions. And we'll see how my face looks.
I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
Okay guys, so I just cleansed my face, as you can see, and it feels great. My first impressions of this cleanser, it is very lightweight and it is very, like, it's fresh. It feels like, smells like a very fresh, nice scent. Nothing too overbearing, just a perfect scent for a cleanser and to put on your skin. Also, this is a gel-based cleanser. And typically gel-based cleansers are best for people with oily skin because we're trying to get away all that extra oil, you know, and kind of not trying to dry the skin up, but trying to get that oil and that built up oil off the face. So gel-based cleansers are great for that, which I have a combination skin, which is more normal to oily skin tones. So I get really oily right here in my T-zone, but after using this, my face doesn't feel dry. So that's a good sign. All right, so next we are going to go in with this toner. Make sure whenever you're doing your toner, you're patting it into the skin. I have not always known that, but because I always used to just kind of wipe it. But you really want to try patting it into your skin, whether that's you're using a cotton round like this, or if you're just putting the toner in your hand and just pressing it into your face. So that's one thing you want to do, is make sure you press this toner into your face. Next, we're going to go in with this Revive Serum. And with serums, you guys can use this AM and PM. So good. I don't know, like it doesn't have like a warming or cooling sensation, but it just felt so nice, felt light. It is a richer product, meaning it's a little thick, but it doesn't feel like thick or heavy on my face. It wasn't hard to move around. It was very fluid, so it was very easy to move around. All right guys, so the last product that I have here is the niacinamide serum. And you can definitely build your serums up, and then like I typically will go in with an eye cream and then finish off with my moisturizer during the day. So that's all you need. I'm gonna take that. Oh, this smells really good. This smells really nice and fresh. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. Like I can't get away with the scent of this. It's not over, like I said, it's not overpowering or overbearing. It's just nice and fresh. And make sure whenever you're using your products, bring it all the way down to your neck. Your neck, don't ever neglect your neck, because your neck is part of your skincare routine. All right, guys, so I'm about to finish off my skincare. This is non-Korean skincare, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this skincare with my eye cream and moisturizer.
Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Alright guys, and that concludes my Korean skincare first impressions video. I will say I definitely give these products a thumbs up, a 10 out of 10. And now I'm a little bit more interested in these Korean products, because now I'm just like, what else do you guys have so that I can try them out? Because I love those, and those will definitely be incorporated into my everyday skincare routine. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. Let me know if you like more of these content videos down in the comments, and we're gonna get things rolling in 2025. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I would love to have you a part of this journey and on my team, because you would love it here. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.